think some parts of the AI industry are probably in a bubble. Like, I don't know, like the seed rounds of, $50 billion seed rounds and things like that seems a little bit unsustainable. But on the other hand, of course, I, or more than anyone, believes that AI is the most transformative technology ever. So I think in the fullness of time, this is all going to be more than justified.
Goldman Sachs research says AI bubble concerns are back, pointing to rising valuations, massive spending, and what it calls the growing circularity of the AI ecosystem. For investors, the biggest question isn't whether AI matters, it's whether the market has already priced in too much of that future. So I went to the experts to ask, are we in a bubble or a boom?
I think that we're going to find out that the ultimate winner in the AI race here is the consumer businesses and individuals, households use AI to make their lives better, to make their businesses more productive. I don't think it's going to be an AI bubble, that AI is a bubble like what we saw in 1999, 2000.
I think it's very likely that AI will permeate every job in the economy. We're all using it. And what we're finding, most people, is that it's impressive, but it's not a complete replacement for our day-to-day task. In other words, people have to vet it and verify and recheck. It does still hallucinate. And so I think, a real agentic AI that's trustworthy is maybe 5 to 10 years away. And that will come too late, quite frankly, for today's investment.
So a handful of AI giants now make up 40% of the S&P 500. Does that feel dangerous for the broader market?
Yeah, that I do believe feels dangerous for the broader market. I think whenever you have too much reliance on one sector of the market, kind of driving the entire market, then you're subject to any kind of peaks and valleys in that particular market instead of looking at the broader market and where things level off. From an investor standpoint, I think that it provides opportunity for those people that can identify those other markets that are being neglected, which really have, potentials to grow. And I think that from our standpoint, at least on the tech sector, it's more about looking at, what helps to drive that tech, what are the things that are behind that instead of the tech itself, because the tech is one piece of it, but the tech is just affecting other parts of daily life.